strategy that I'm going to teach you is about the listening for GIS. Do you know what does GIS mean? Okay, the usage of listening for GIS is to listening to get the main idea of what someone is saying. Don't need to understand the overall of the context. Alright, so you understand only the main idea. What, who, and why. So the first one, what, to identify the main topic or event being discussed. Next one is who. Determine the key people or group involved. Why, to understand the reason or motivations behind the topic or event. For the example, I will play the audio 2 times, and in the first time, you have to listen and use the listening for GIS strategy to listen. Okay. For the first question, read together.
Who is talking in the
Okay.
A scientist is giving a talk about climate change on the radio.
Okay. Who is talking about climate change? Good job, scientists. Listening for detailed strategy. Listening carefully to get the specific information like names, numbers, dates, or exact facts. How tall is Mount Everest?
Mount Everest, located in the Himalayas between Nepal and China, rises to a height of 8,848 meters, making it the tallest mountain in the world.
So, how tall is it? 8,848. Okay, good job. Have you ever heard the S-ray? How is it important to our life? It's harm to our world, like destroy the environment or like harm to the animal or people. Right? The activity we are going to do the first activity is listens and shoots. The first direction is I want you to get into a group of 3. Try the Kahoot game. Try the game on the Kahoot website, and then listen to the track acid rain twice for each statement. Number 4, choose the picture that matches the statement about the acid rain. Listen carefully.
แม่ใจว่าเบียร์มากน้อยแค่ไหน
Toxic fumes. So the air that we breathe becomes polluted. Cars burn petrol and factories emit toxic fumes. So the air that we breathe becomes polluted.
The air that we breathe becomes polluted. So what is polluted?
We all need air. We can use public transport. We all need air. One way to make the air cleaner is to ride less. We can use public transport or ride a bike. We all need